troubles. What? What?
Why are you telling him this? Why are you telling him this? It's been a secret for a long time. Why are you telling him?
Why do you tell him? Listen, some of you are not aware. Somebody kept on coming ekhayini. How inkabi sesekhona? Because they knew something has come on earth. Something has come to cause trouble. There's a vision being born. It's not an ordinary child. It's a vision being born. Bring them. Bring them. What? Understand what God is doing now. What? What?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Uyishekayi bathini inkaba ngesipedi? Bathini inkaba? Amlikot. Uyishilekari amlikot yaka. They took it.
I took it.
Nyalan. Uyishere. Nyalan
Yes,
yaka.
I took it.
Why?
Yes, I took it.
Why? The enemy saw. Now you are not aware.
When
You are a baby, you are a child. After you release yourself, somebody knows. Now, something is happening. Something is happening. Somebody is dealing with your destiny. Somebody is stopping. Somebody is stopping. Somebody is stopping. What? 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 Bring them. What? 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 Listen to this.
Why are you speaking such things? Where do you get these things?
Jesus Christ reveals it to me. It's Jesus who says go. Hey, quiet. 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 It's Jesus who says to me, go and teach this. I want to set my people free. They are living a purposeless life, not knowing why they came on earth. And hence this causes trouble. You always lose peace. Why? Your purpose has been redirected. Your umbilical, they were taken. They took them. Some of you, they took Dindole. They took it. And they dealt with you. And they dealt with you. Let God expose today. Let God expose today. What? Were you ready for this? Huh? You are not ready, ne? Welcome to church.
You are speaking. Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Now,
No.
why batata lento leyala? Amatankal. Isn't there zakho zwelala? Peeps. In there zakho zan. Maudla gwelala. They take it. They make your life to be like that. It must just go down. Why nakuzu andi la endlini into yomntwana yalahleka itoy or idemu? Why idemu lenyamalala? Something is happening. You were born and the dark side saw. There's a child born carrying a vision of God. And it's going to open many eyes.
Uzovula amehlo amaningi.
Today, you shall not escape. You shall not escape. You shall not escape. Today you shall not escape. You will not escape. You will not escape. You will not escape. Bring that child. This my child there. You will not escape. You will not escape. What?
Hey, yeah,
what?
Hey. Hey, we're gonna have a problem now.
Happy 9 years. God has released what is strange. This is a reward now. What? What?